This tutorial demonstrates the ease at which you can assign activities to individual students or an entire class. The first screen that appears when a teacher logs in is the Progress Report screen, which displays student progress as they complete each activity. Click on Assignments, located under the Teach section on the left side of the screen. The assignment screen has two selection boxes, one for selecting a class and students, and one for selecting activities and student placement. Let's begin by placing all students into the same activity. The first step is to select your class from the drop-down selector. Click the Check All button. Notice that a check mark is now visible in front of all of the names in the class. Now move on to the box to the right containing all of the activities. Notice that activities are grouped into folders according to big ideas. You can place students into any activity within any topic within any big idea. This allows easy alignment to any curriculum. Clicking the small triangle to the left of a folder expands the view to show the contents, which in this case is a folder for each topic. Clicking the small triangle to the left of a topic folder reveals the activities within that topic. Clicking on an activity selects it. Once an activity is selected, three buttons on the bottom right become active. Clicking the Preview button allows the teacher to look at an activity being considered. Clicking the Lesson Resources button provides a wealth of information and support materials. These features are covered in more depth in the Activity Overview video. Clicking the Set Placement button assigns the activity. When an activity is assigned, the green box to the left of the activity becomes blue. The folders that hold the activity also turn blue. This color change indicates current placement and allows the teacher to easily identify the activity a student is currently working on or is placed into. Perhaps some of your students would benefit from reviewing a skill before working on an activity in a whole group setting. Perhaps they're in an RTI small group setting. Or perhaps you have a student who is significantly behind the class and does not have the skills to work on the level assigned to the entire class. You can also make assignments individually by clicking on the box in front of each individual student name. You can place students individually or as a small group. After selecting the student's name, you would then select the activity from one of the big ideas. These students may require additional scaffolding not found in the standard activities. Clicking the Show Remediation Activity checkbox will show all the additional activities found within each topic. Notice that the title of a non-standard activity is followed by either the letter M, R, or P. Activities followed by the letter M provide more practice using the same format found in standard activities. Activities followed by the letter R are remediation activities that contain more scaffolding with language and models. Activities followed by the letter P are pre-skill activities that provide background knowledge in order to be successful in this present topic. Additional information on activity types is covered in more depth in the Activity Overview video. Select the activity and click on Set Placement button. Notice that the indicator next to the activity becomes blue and the folders become blue, indicating the current placement. You have just differentiated instruction with this very easy process. Keeping track of student placement is easy. You simply click on a student and you will see the placement below next to the word Activity. The title of the activity in which the student is currently assigned is displayed. The indicator next to the activity and the folders are color-coded blue. Assigning activities couldn't be easier. Select a class, group of students, or an individual, select the activity, and set the placement.